Hey y'all, in today's video I stopped by Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors just as they were finishing up this 1959 Chevrolet Impala Convertible I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
Steve?
Scotty?
How are you, brother?
I'm good. How you doing?
Outstanding. Man, I like a 59 Impala.
You can't beat that.
Man, I'm telling you, they are hard to beat.
Yeah.
You know, I like the next ones, but a 59 is special too. It's like, look at them big wings.
Oh no, that was just...
saying? Can you imagine?
That was my mom's favorite car. It's the 1959 convertible.
Well, a convertible makes it nice too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But yeah, you think of the styling in that car. And, you know, oh, we're all about jet planes and going to the moon. So let's put big wings. You know, nowadays, I mean, the thing would take flight.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
It's crazy. Yeah. I mean, to me nowadays, most cars, the only way you can tell them apart is to look at the emblem.
You got to look close at the emblems, yeah.
You know, these old cars like this, you know, 59, the Camaros, the General Motors, the Fords, they had a unique, Dodges, they all had a unique look to them, which really stood out.
And they changed every couple of years.
Yeah.
It wasn't like they ran on for years and years and years. And man, they give you a lot of room to do an interior in, right?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you and the boys do?
This is triple red, red top, red paint, red interior. But we put a little bit of a 50s theme to this car on the inside. Give it a like a 50 style cloth in there.
Yeah, I agree.
Came right straight out of the 50s. That's an original material type of material for these cars in the 50s. So
really?
Yeah. So we did that and put the LED lights, 3D door panels, console all the way back, 4 bucket seats. Of course, you can slide it back. And we got all the window switches in the console with a couple of cup holders. It's a automatic, but it's got a big old motor in that thing, so it should be fun to drive around in.
Well, it's got a modern day LT4 in it, so I would think, yeah, this thing will get down the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's material. It almost looks like it's, I don't want to diminish it and say vinyl, but it has a, it has a shiny look to it, but it's really cloth.
It is. It's a good cloth for it.
Yeah. And what seats did you use? You remember? Everybody always wants to know, what seats does Steve use to do these cars? You know, I really honestly don't remember, because usually what I'll do is I'll go and buy a bunch of them, and I forget which cars. So I'll go buy 6, 7, 8 seats at a time. I'll go through all the cars, and I'll get the best looking ones that they have, and with some with power and things like that. The one it's got a good look to them. They set low, and they got good boasters, foam, and all that stuff, and I'll start from that. So they could be a little bit of a variety. If I look at the car and I was like, man, that's a good looking seat, I'll grab it. And we did a video on building a custom seat, so if all else fails, you'll actually cut them apart and weld them back together. But
oh yeah,
I was just wondering, that looks like a factory seat, which they all look, like they're supposed to be. But yeah, no, I love the door panels.
And of course, all the back seat area, everything in the back seat's all custom made. I never use a back seat. Very rarely ever use a back seat that's come out of an original car. Everything's all handmade from there. But yeah, usually we try to get a good set of front seats, because it's got slides already on it,
right?
Power, whatever, and then you can just build from there, reshape it, redesign it, whatever you want to do. You notice they set just low and just right below the door, just like the backs do. You got to be proportionate with the car. You don't want a seat that's sitting 6 inches above the door on the car like this.
And it's a lot of people comment about no headrest, and that's the biggest thing with headrests, is you don't want to look through that interior and see 2 blocks sitting on top of seats. You want to keep it clean. So
especially in the 50s cars,
right,
it's not like you're building a Pro Touring Camaro or something. You'd have them on a headrest or something. But yeah, these are 50 styles. They look good, but no headrest. Sort of gives the same era of the car.
Right.
They may have big old gigantic headrests back in the day.
Oh, very cool. I like what they did with the gas cap too. That was a cool idea.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's got a little tray that you can pop up. We made a little magnetic lid that you can lift it up, and then it's got a push button. It's like the newer Corvettes has got.
Right.
You just stick your handle down there, fill it up, and go on with it.
And then you put some storage in the trunk too.
Oh yeah, it's got all kinds of storage area. One side, you open it up, you can get to the battery cutoff switch. The other side, you just got a big old panel. You can put whatever you want in there.
Right. Well, brother, I think you and the boys killed another one.
Scotty, again, like always, I appreciate it so much.
No, thank you.
So there you go, from Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors, a very cool 1959 Chevrolet Impala Convertible. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.